Hello everyone, this is Captain Elevator 42189 here with two IKEA LED candle bulbs. As you can see, the one on the left is clear while the one on the right is white. Both of these bulbs have a warm white color temperature of 3000 Kelvin, similar to an incandescent bulb, and they consume only 6 watts while producing 450 lumens, which is an amazing 75 lumens per watt. So as you can see, these are also 1.5-inch diameter candle bulbs, which gives them the alphanumeric code C12. With that being said, let's take a look at the bulbs. Here's the white bulb. Gives off a nice, soft, gentle, but bright light. And then here's the clear bulb. Here's of course the LED module contained within the prismatic cylinder cone package. Here's the front of the bulb. And it gives off a bright, sparkling light. So with that being said, let's give these a test run. And now comes the fun part. Wow, these are really bright. So here's a close-up of the white bulb, which gives off a soft white light, but it is bright. And now here's the clear bulb that gives off a bright, sparkling light. There's the LED module contained within the cylinder cone. There's actually the LED chips in there. And a halo right around it. But indeed, that sure is amazing how this produces 900 lumens of light while consuming only 12 watts. Not bad, isn't it? It just shows you how bright these LEDs are and how they are really efficient. So there you have it, my IKEA LED candle bulbs, and thank you very much.